Well, all the more that we all moms have realized that how important immunity and how important, the formative base for our children is. As the minute you become a mum, it is prime important for you anyway. But no one actually foresaw a time like this pandemic that we have all gone through in our lifetime. That how how very very important it is to be strong and to have that inner strength, to have the kind of correct base for us, for our body to fight back, to have the kind of antibodies that our body needs to fight back something like what has happened now in this whole COVID-19 situation. Um, for a mum and as a mum myself, it is so important for me to have the right kind of nutrients, for my children, for their nourishment, for their growth, for their development, to give them the kind of strength that each body needs. And the best years is from the time they are born till they are in their teens, is when you can really control what they eat and do what they will eat, what you give them. Those are the formative years, those are the foundation years, and that is when the base is set for them, whether their bones are growing, or the kind of calcium, probiotics that they need, the kind of protein they need for muscle development, for tissue development, and the kind of carbohydrates, the kind of vitamins that they need for for the entire system to be absolutely strengthened from inside. Now, it's, children can be really, really fussy eaters. So to give them something that is wholesome and that contains everything, I think it's, I'm really thankful for a product like Nutrinos to be out in the market, which has a complete, holistic thing in just one scoop, which provides everything to the children. So yes, it's very, very important, like I said, for children in these times, and otherwise also for mums. The minute that baby comes into your hand, all you think of is the right kind of protection, the right kind of nourishment, and how you're going to, bring up this child that is completely your responsibility. And it's a very natural instinct as a mum to give your child the best. Growing up easy, I think Neutrinos and our motto is grow up easy. Well, it is all mums face that, and we grew up with our mums telling us, when you will become a mum, you'll come to know what it is. We all time give the children right kind of nutrition. The minute you make a bhaji and a vegetable and one thing, which the children don't like, there are frowny faces on the lunch table and on the dinner table, and they just don't want to, eat what is there in front of you, and you're force feeding them stuff that they don't really like. So here comes Nutrinos, which has the goodness, the wholesome nourishment for children, and which is tasty. I think that is something that is really important, because we mums really struggle trying to make food palatable for the children, which has everything in it, which has the complete nourishment. And it's really tough because children don't like the kind of food that you make. So it's an everyday battle to try and make food interesting, or that they'll get excited to eat. So here comes Nutrinos, which has the goodness of everything, and it makes your life easy. So there's no pressure on the mom, there's no pressure on the children. They love what you're giving them to eat. They love Nutrinos as a snack, as in meal time. It's an anytime snack, and that is for me growing up easy. I mean, there's no pressure on the kids. There's no pressure on us. It's like I said, grow up easy. Well, like I said, this lockdown has actually given us so much time to be at home, to spend time with our kids, to give them the right kind of. I think Nutrinos has come at such a right time, where we're all looking for every day. Our thing is, okay, now how do we make life more exciting for kids, or what do we give them on meal times? And you're actually running out of options, and here comes Nutrinos with everything fortified in it, which a child needs to, for his or her nutrition. Well, uh, during lockdown, if this is the situation, I think when we were all in a normal zone, everyone's running around meeting deadlines, everyone's working, and for working moms, it's even more difficult, to balance and to try and do everything at the same time. Because, like I said, I always feel women are actually super women because they do everything. They prepare meals for their children. They are working. They're doing helping children with their homework. They're doing their own office work. They're running around, trying to meet deadlines for their own careers as well. And at that time, I think something like this that is wholesome, that is without preservatives, that is natural in its whole goodness form, comes, and it just makes life easier for working women to see to it. And plus they are also satisfied that they're giving their children, they're not just pushing anything in front of them and giving them anything to eat. They're giving them something that is nutritious, that is healthy, and something that children like as well. Let me tell you again that since this Neutrinos has come, it has completely solved all my issues, at least for dealing with fussy eaters. This is something that has been tried on about more than 200 kids, and they've been interviewed and they have completely loved it. I love it. So as an adult, I'm sneaking bites from my children's bowls. It's an anytime snack. It is something that also kind of satisfied the children, that they're not eating only dal and bhaji or any kind of vegetable, and it's made life and your lunch, your meal, whether it's lunch, dinner, breakfast, it's made it more exciting for them. So I think this is something that I vouch for, that has definitely made life much easier, much food more interesting for the kids. So, I mean, this is something you can spruce up an entire breakfast with, whether you add extra fruits in it, or, because this Neutrinos is something that is without preservatives, and it is without artificial flavoring. So you can add whatever cereals, this, that, etc., and this however you feel. But this in one scoop contains just about everything, what a daily need of nutrition values, what a child needs in his day. Parenting tips. So this was a big tip on what you can feed them, right? So fussy eaters, this is the parenting tip, what you can feed them. Well, otherwise, I think I have used this time very well with my children. We've been watching some fantastic classic films. We've been reading good books. I've been introducing them to, good cinema, to good books, spending time discussing things. We watch a lot of Nat Geo. We watch a lot of documentaries also, which I sit and watch with them. So then I explain things to them. We just finished an entire season of, the missions to moon, which was so fascinating to watch, and it was also incredible for how much the children learn. They're doing various classes in their time. My son does robotics, and my daughter's practicing her singing. I think it's been a little bit of a silver lining, where children have actually, with this online school, gotten also time to do a lot of things. So we've been playing a lot of games. We've been playing Pictionary and Scrabble and various other games, which like Articulate. So we've really enjoyed ourselves, doing all these things together. It's given us that bonus added time. I think this time is not going to come back again. This invaluable time that we spent with the children.